What's going on? It's your boy Charlie V, Asset Police badge number 824. What them credit scores, deeds, LOCs, investment portfolios. Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Well, I'm going to touch on today something that a lot of people keep hitting me up on. People keep asking me, how do I invest in stocks? Well, let me school you out real quick. There are apps out there that people use. One of the most common ones is Robinhood. But there are other options to opening up a brokerage account. Now, what is a brokerage account? A brokerage account is what most investors use to buy and sell securities like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. You can transfer money into and out of a brokerage account much like a bank account, but unlike banks, brokerage account gives you access to the stock market and other investments. So you're probably asking, how do you open up a brokerage account? Well, setting up a brokerage account is a pretty simple process. You can typically complete an application online within 10 to 15 minutes. Boom, there you have it. So I'm going to give you guys a list of brokerage firms that are available, like Robinhood, like I alluded to earlier, TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, Merrill Edge. I personally use JP Morgan Chase because I bank with them and I have a broker there that I have an amazing relationship with. But make sure you do your due diligence, go on YouTube, do your homework on these firms and see which one suits you and suits your personal goals that you're trying to accomplish. And you're probably asking, how much money do you need to open up an account, a brokerage account? You typically, each firm is different. Some might just need a couple $100. Some might just need $1,000. But each company is a little different. But you just got to see which one suits you best. But the key is to invest. Asset Police, badge number 824, CV, signing out. Peace.